Good day to all! Come and join us again, a family of 3 living in the UK. Another pabaon series, sitting number 4, and paghatid din ng baon. Okay, so let's start again by doing and cooking our rice. That's 4 cups of rice, which is just enough for me and my husband throughout the day and night. You know what? This morning, me and my baby woke up late. Mga around 7:30 in the morning, so I have to change her nappy and had to feed her milk, and we were finished by about 8 o'clock. And syempre after, we have to put her upright about 30 to 45 minutes just to lessen the paglulungad or spit up. Because of that, malilate din ang paggawa ko ng baon, Mr. I already told him. The workplace naman ni Mr. ay 10 minutes to 15 minutes walk away. So we are going to go to his workplace and ihahatiran natin siya ng ating pabaon. As you can see, we are doing again scrambled eggs, and this time we are going to bake turkey roulade. So, ang turkey roulade ay isa siyang turkey rolls na meron siyang cornbread, may apple, and may sausages inside ng turkey. So, para siyang pork belly sa atin. Hindi namin binili yan sa workplace ni hubby, which is a pub. Itatapon na dapat nila yung food na yan kasi it's an excess and not on the menu. So, you just save it kasi dapat sa bin na yan. Bali, binake ko lang siya for about 20 to 30 minutes. And that's it. Easy cooking, diba? We are packing again our food. First is the rice and also the scrambled egg. Actually, ang scrambled egg, pampadagdag lang yan sa ulam ni hubby. And there you go, the baked turkey roulade. Akala ko ngayon hindi siya mukhang luto, pero it's perfectly cooked, it's soft and moist. We are now heading to hubby's workplace. So, syempre, pag lumabas ako, laging kasama si baby. Mission accomplished. So, hanggang dito na lang. See you next time. Bye!